Hello, welcome to the next video on how to logging in EuroScope. Okay, we're gonna start the EuroScope application, and then we are going to do the most useful and interesting process of logging. And it's so easy and so comfortable to do, and we're gonna see that in just a second. Okay, now my EuroScope is on another screen, and I have loaded up just recently. Waiting for the finalizations. Mm, yes, it's done. Okay, we have the EuroScope right here. For the logging process, it's so easy, it's so convenient to do. We just hit the connect, the connect dialog box will appear here. And for the logging and playback, we have this section. The logging is going to be done in this process, in this field, but it has a very, not so good address and file name. I recommend we change the file name. Maybe we browse to our desired place, and my document is my desired place, and we're gonna do some of the log EuroScope 1 right here. Okay. And the txt, because it's going to, let me put it in txt. Okay. Start logging, you hit the start logging, and the logging process will initiate. When we connect to, let's go and connect to the switch box so we don't interfere with any other that's in real environment. So we got connected to the switch box. Okay, the logging process is going to record our session. Everything happens, it's going to record. We have two airports here. We have a frequency. We may say hi in the ATC field. I may say something with hello everybody. Not in the ATC field, but we have no aircraft to send it to. Again, we're going to do it in the ATC field. Okay. Now the session, you're going to end the session. Okay, disconnect. So I stop logging. The file should be recorded in this file name. We're gonna hit, if we're going to play it back, we're gonna change the playback log file from this to the connection mode, and we put the same thing that we put here in the playback section. We're gonna copy that and paste it here, or we're gonna browse it, and we see because the documents, and we see the log EuroScope txt here. We hit it. Then we connect. Okay. It's gonna play back what happened here. If everything goes right, we're gonna see that I have recorded the ATC channel, and something will appear here, just what I have typed in. And yes, hello, hi everybody, yes, it's just recorded. So it passed. Everything is recorded correctly, and it's done. The session has ended. So it's so easy to do that. So we have the same file names with other file name in the end: VVL, VVLA, VVLB, postfix. So if you're gonna send it to somebody, we should go to that section. It's under my check it here. New smart window. Go to my MacBook. Under the, where was it? Wine. Drive C. The users. Public document. No. That's it. My documents, and we can see it right here. EuroScope, yeah. All the files with that the same file name but the different postfix. We're gonna put it in some compressed file, and then we're gonna send it to for any evaluation or something like that. Okay, and that's it. It's very easy to do and very easy to record. Thanks for watching with us. Bye bye.